Welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. Today, we're focusing on the incredible power of forgiveness and how it leads to healing. Let these thoughts inspire you to let go of what holds you back and embrace the freedom that comes with forgiveness. Forgiveness isn't about forgetting the past, but about releasing its hold on your future. The first step to healing is letting go of the pain and choosing forgiveness. Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself, freeing your heart from bitterness. True strength lies in your ability to forgive those who've wronged you. When you forgive, you create space for peace and healing in your soul. Forgiveness is an act of self-love. It heals wounds that anger keeps open. Choosing forgiveness over resentment is choosing growth over stagnation. You can't change the past, but forgiveness allows you to shape a brighter future. Forgiveness is the bridge between hurt and healing. Letting go of anger opens the door to peace and serenity in your life. Forgiveness frees you from the chains of bitterness that hold you back. A heart full of forgiveness is a heart open to love and peace. Holding on to anger only prolongs your suffering. Let forgiveness bring you relief. True healing comes when you choose to forgive yourself and others. Forgiveness is the foundation for rebuilding trust and relationships. It's not weakness to forgive. It's the ultimate display of strength. The power to heal starts with the decision to forgive. Forgiveness unlocks doors to peace, joy, and emotional freedom. A life rooted in forgiveness blossoms with love and understanding. Forgiveness allows you to rise above the hurt and move toward wholeness. Forgiveness breaks the cycle of pain and sets you free from the past. The act of forgiving lifts a weight from your soul that anger can never release. When you forgive, you reclaim your power and release the hold the past has over you. Healing begins the moment you let go of the pain through forgiveness. Forgiving others opens the door for your own heart to be healed. When you choose forgiveness, you choose to live in peace, not pain. Forgiveness softens your heart, allowing love to take root. Anger chains you to the past. Let forgiveness be the key that sets you free. Forgiving doesn't excuse the wrong, but it empowers you to move beyond it. Forgiveness brings clarity and peace where anger once clouded your vision. Through forgiveness, you take back control of your happiness. Forgiveness allows you to break free from the burden of hurt and resentment. Healing through forgiveness restores not only relationships, but also your own peace of mind. With every act of forgiveness, you heal a piece of your heart. Choosing forgiveness turns wounds into wisdom. Forgiveness is the balm that soothes even the deepest wounds. Through forgiveness, we find not just peace, but purpose in our pain. Forgiveness is the key to moving forward, leaving the hurt behind. To forgive is to give yourself the freedom to thrive. Holding on to grudges only burdens the soul. Forgiveness lightens your load. Forgiveness nurtures the spirit, bringing calm to a once chaotic heart. Through forgiveness, you allow the light of love and peace to enter your life. Letting go of resentment makes room for joy to flourish. The peace that comes from forgiveness outweighs any temporary satisfaction from anger. To forgive is to set yourself free from the prison of the past. Forgiveness is not just an act, but a process that leads to profound healing. Through forgiveness, you unlock the power to heal and transform your life. Each time you choose forgiveness, you choose healing, peace, and freedom. Forgiveness opens the door to a future filled with possibilities and peace. In forgiveness, we discover the beauty of grace and the power to move forward. Thank you for joining us for Wisdom Wednesday. Remember, The power of forgiveness is a path to healing and freedom. Choose to forgive and let go of the burdens that weigh you down. Have a day full of grace and healing. I'm your host, Abigail. Stay strong and forgiving.